but we've made a lot of progress over the last 7 years, and now blades are for the mass market, if you will. We've had the C-Class C7000 enclosure for large enterprise companies. Now with the introduction of the new C3000 enclosure, we will be bringing it into the mid-market for small and medium businesses and for remote sites of various types, such as retail stores, branch banks, remote offices, even manufacturing sites, and even out on drilling platforms, for example. The C7000 has really been designed for the infrastructure of a data center, a raised floor data center with air conditioning and all of that. And as a result, the power infrastructure is designed for racks and data centers. What's different about the new C3000 is that we've designed the power infrastructure so they can really fit anywhere. And then, so let me show you that. The first thing to show you is that the enclosure has about 8 server bays, and we've built in a nice LCD panel right here for ease of implementation. So I'm often asked, so what do we support in this enclosure? What type of blades, what type of servers, what type of interconnects? Well, first we have our typical Intel or AMD-based 2-processor servers. They're either dual-core or quad-core. There's 2 of them here. We have the storage blade, which you can see right here, that adds extra drives to a server and also can be packaged so that it's a full shared storage blade. We have full height blades. We have both 4-processor full height blades, both dual core and quad core from both Intel and AMD. And we have integrity blades. So you can get HP UX, our 64-bit Windows or 64-bit Linux on our integrity blades. So that's the portfolio of servers, together with additional storage and tape backup. And all you need to power this on is a simple power cable that you're used to seeing on all computer equipment. You know, a 110 power cord, you know, the same outlet you're used to seeing. It's called a C13 plug. And on the back of the enclosure are the power supplies. You notice we've got 2 in this enclosure right now. And this cord goes right in here and then plugs into your wall outlet. All you have to do is plug it right in, and away you go. So we're going to fire this on. I'm going to actually show you 2 of them. And it's as simple as that. What's different and what's the same about the new C3000 compared to the C7000? Well, the first thing to realize, all of the server blades, all of the switches and interconnect modules, all of the storage blades are identical. They fit in either enclosure. So the only thing that's really different about this enclosure is, 1, it has fewer bays, so it has fewer devices. 2, it's easier to power on because we've made the power supply so they can run on either high line or low line voltage. And other than that, it works exactly the same. It's those 2 things primarily that are different. So there's a couple other features that are new and unique to the C3000. That's the DVD drive over here built into the enclosure for simple software deployment. And we're going to have on the back of the enclosure a optional function, an optional module, so that you can connect every enclosure to your local KVM switches in your racks. It means flexibility, it means lower cost, it means ease and simplicity. All of these features together are all about flexibility, lower cost, and ease of implementation.